In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to prioritize your tasks in Todoist effectively to make the most out of your day. Whether you're juggling work, personal errands, or school, Todoist can be your go-to tool for staying organized. Let's dive in and explore how you can best prioritize tasks using this versatile app. First, you'll want to log into your Todoist account. You can either use a browser or the desktop app, whatever you prefer. Once you're logged in, you have several options for setting up your task prioritization. A crucial feature you should leverage is the priority levels. Todoist offers you 4 distinct priority levels to help categorize and manage your tasks. Let's begin by creating a task. You can do this by clicking on the plus add task button located in the top left panel of your screen. When adding tasks, you can designate each one with a specific priority level. Todoist color codes. These priority levels for easy recognition. P1 is marked in red and represents urgent and important tasks that must be done today. P2 is in orange and stands for important tasks, but they're not quite as urgent as P1. P3 marked in blue are tasks that need attention but aren't necessarily urgent, whereas P4 has no colour and signifies low priority tasks or those that don't have a strict deadline. A little tip here to enhance your productivity. Try to limit the number of P1 tasks you commit to each day. This can help prevent you from feeling overwhelmed by a long list of high priority items. Next, another essential tactic is setting due dates and recurring tasks. Due dates are great for ensuring your tasks are completed on time. For routine activities, you can set up recurring tasks. For example, you can choose intervals such as every Monday or every second Friday. If a task doesn't have a strict deadline, mark it with someday, so it doesn't occupy your immediate mental space, but isn't forgotten either. To further streamline your organization, use projects and sections. Create projects to categorize broad areas of your life, like work, personal, or school. This helps you maintain a high-level overview of what needs attending to across the various facets of your life. Finally, harness the power of labels and filters. Labels give you the flexibility to classify tasks by context, such as at calls or at email, assisting you in batching similar activities together. Filters are incredibly powerful when you want to view tasks by criteria like priority, due date, or specific projects. Set up filters to focus on what needs immediate attention, such as a Today and P1 filter. In summary, using Todoist to prioritize tasks involves setting clear priority levels, assigning due dates, organizing with projects, and leveraging labels and filters. With these strategies, you can manage your workload efficiently and enhance your productivity significantly. Enjoy getting things done more effortlessly with Todoist.